Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to the fourth day of our phonics lessons. Today, we're going to be doing Runaround with the I sounds, and then we're going to be revising that new I sound using superhero grids. So, go and get your whiteboards and whiteboard pens, and when you're ready, we'll get going. Okay, so what you're going to need, grown-ups, are signs to go with each of these graphemes. So the graphemes we're practicing today are I, and I. And children, when we do this, have a think about where the I sound is, because that will affect which I you use. Okay, so when you're ready, grown-ups, start the video again, and I'll be ready to give you the first word. So the first word is night. Night. And that's dark at night, although the I sound is the same in the night on a horseback. And here it is. Next word, pie. Pie. Here you are. Next word, reply. Reply. And here it is. Next word, light. Rhymes with night. Light. Here it is. Next word, my. My. Here it is. Next word, denied. Denied. That's an ED word. Denied. How's that spelled? Well done. Next one, bright. Bright. That's in a bright light. And that's right, it's spelt the same way too. Next one, like. Like. Brilliant, that's a split digraph. Next one, replied. Replied. Rhymes with denied. So have a think about that. Here it is. That's right. Next one is dislike. The opposite of like. Dislike. Here it comes. Penultimate one. Why. Why. I know you can spell this. That's right, with the I sound on the end, and it's a Y. And last word, shine. Shine. Here it is. Brilliant, Year 1. A really good start to our phonics lesson. Okay, Year 1, let's find out what's in the I. What's in the sound box today? And it's the I. What kind of I is it? Here we go. That's right, it's this I. Okay, so let's have a go at bouncing it and stretching it. Remember, we're doing this Y for the I sound. So I sounds like I. So I. And now we're going to have a go at stretching it. I. Brilliant. And now magic finger, write it on the floor. So write the Y and say I. Brilliant. Well done, Year 1. Okay, so now we're going to have a go at copying some of the words from yesterday. So the first one is mind. Mind. And that is I. Mind. And grown-ups, pause the video if you need to. Next word is bind. B-I-N-D. Bind. Next word, binding. B-I-N-D-I-N-G. Binding. Next word is find. 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 Next word is finding. Finding. So exactly the same for I-N-D. And then the same ing. Finding. Next word is kind. 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 And our last word is kindness. So it takes that root, kind, and then adds an n, Okay, brilliant. Have a look at those words, and when you're ready, get your superhero grids ready, and we're going to have a go at doing these words ourselves. So, starting at the bottom, I'll just remind you how we do this. So, starting with mind, you'd write m, I, n, d. You'd put the sound buttons on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'd say how many sound buttons there are, and then you move your superhero to stand by your success. It's quite a big superhero today. So, okay, the next word you're going to do is bind. Bind. Grown-ups, you can pause the video if you need to. So bind is b, I, n, d, bind. And that's also got 1, 2, 3, 4 sound buttons. Let's move him up. Next one is find. Find. Right on year one, that's exactly the same again. Rhymes again. So f, I, n, d. 1, 2, 3, 4 sound buttons. Let's move our superhero up. And our next word. Next word is binding. Binding. Quite a few sounds in this. Binding. So you're right, it starts with bind. And then we're adding the ing. Binding. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's a 6 button there. 6. Let's move our hero up. Next one is finding. Finding. Should be able to work that out from the previous words. And that's right, it's f, I, n, d, ing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move our superhero up. Next one is kind. Kind. That's right. The only tricky thing here is knowing the kind of k. It is k, I, n, d, kind. And that's back to 4. And our last word we're going to do is kindness. Kindness. So, it's the k, kicking k again. K, I, n, d. Then n, s, s. I've put an extra dot in I don't need. So let's put our sound buttons in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 7. What an incredibly big word that is. Kindness. And you've done brilliant, year one. So now we're going to go on to our tricky words. You have a go at reading these. Let's read them together now. What? What? When? It. All. Little. And one. Well done, year one. Have a look at those because you're going to have a go at spelling them in just a second. So, first word I want you to have a go at spelling is when. When. And here it is. When. Next word is little. Little. All. All. Little. Next word is what. 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 And the last word is one. One. That doesn't sound right at all, does it? But that's what it looks like. Brilliant. So have a go at writing a sentence using one of those words, and when you're ready to go on, start the video again. Okay, so to finish with, we've got a sentence for you to write. So listen to it 3 times and then have a go at writing it. When did you find the kind old man? When did you find the kind old man? When did you find the kind old man? Okay, and when you've written the sentence, start the video again. So here we go. When, starting with a capital, did you find the kind old man? And what do I need to put on the end? That's right, brilliant. If you remembered, it's a question mark because we're starting with a question word. Right, well done, year 1. That's the end of today's phonics lesson. Excellent work.